All right, today is Tuesday market, October 14th. We have a very major news today, which is your Fed Chair, Powell is speaking at 9:50 p.m., right? The description says due to participate in moderate discussion about the economic outlook, monetary policy. Basically, today we can expect a very, very big move, either towards the down or either towards the buy. We'll have to wait and see what the tone is going to be like. And yeah, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fall. I was just assessing the market around this region. And thinking of taking a trade, but I couldn't put myself to take a trade right there. Anyways, let's start off with your monthly. So on the monthly, we're on the buy, right? On the weekly, we are on the buy. On the daily, we are on the buy 4025 region, right? 4025 region seems to be the daily time. It's come down into the 4 hours time frame, right? It's come down into the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours, we can still see this zone being valid. 3920 for a good buy. You can see a good move from here. See a blast. Apart from that, on the 4 hours, I don't see a very good zone. But let's come down into your 1 hour, right? Into your 1 hour, this could be a good potential entry point. This could be a good potential entry point. This is your 1 hour. That means it has taken Asia lows, tapped into the zone and looking for buys, right? And apart from that, we could see the next point, which will be 4800. 4800. So this one is 4120 and this one is 4080. And apart from that, you can see one more buy zone right here. There's a good resistance support area. This could be a potential reversal point. But most likely, if these two zones get taken out today, which is highly likely with the impulsive correction that we are having right now, right? If these two zones get taken out, we can expect a good correction down into this 4-hour zone. Maybe whatever Powell says is going to affect the markets in a very drastic way today. So we'll have to wait and see. Again, very difficult day in trading. We are looking for buys and only buys, focus only on buys. Maybe you can start focusing on sells after we break the 4070 region. After we break the 4070 region, I think we can focus on sells. Up until 4020, we have a potential buy zone right here, which is you can clearly see I'll draw it out. So we can clearly see here. So this was a support zone which got broken, and this was a resistance zone. You can see price has wicked and then broken. So this could be a potential point of where your support became resistance, became support again right now, right? In this case, this is just your classic inducement. Come into the zone, go for buys, and this is your classic taken out Asia lows, which is again inducement, come into the zone and go for buys. So these two zones we can think about today, right? So yeah, it's a pretty easy marketing day today again. If these two zones fail, if 4080 fails, I think we have to go for your sells up until this point. You can see all this liquidity is yet to be grabbed, and then we can potentially see for the news today at 9:50 p.m. You have to see and enter on it very, very, very carefully. All right, so that is it for today. Yeah, catch you in the next one.